I chose Quizlet, EduCandy, FunBrain, CK12, and PBS Kids as my exploration tools. I feel that all of these websites are great resources for working with elementary kids because they are easy to assess and provide fun and engaging educational activities. So let's go into Quizlet. I personally love Quizlet for its ability to make flashcards. Students can either make their own flashcards or they could put in the lesson topic they want, and they can use other people's already made flashcards. For my online lesson, I am doing 3rd grade mathematics, and we are learning how to compare numbers up to 10,000 using less than, greater than, and equal to symbols. I found this awesome set of flashcards on here that I'll be incorporating these into my lesson module as a useful resource for students. Basically, if I go back, they can see, like, say, what is this sign? And then when you, 18 is blank to 20, I would say 20 is greater than. So then I would flip it and it would give me my answer. The next tool I chose was EduCandy. I chose EduCandy because I was able to create my own game based on my lesson standard for my students. So if we go in, here I just put in some questions and it created my own game. This was a great resource and it's an easy resource to create. It'll test and challenge students while allowing them to have fun and play a game at the same time. So if I go into the matchup game, I just hit play. And here you can see that I have some games. So like the equal to symbol, I would drag the answer and I would get it right. And then you can finish that game. And then the next tool I chose is FunBrain. FunBrain offers a variety such as videos, reading resources, and games. I personally chose a video of a song that goes along with teaching greater than and less than and equal to. So super fun website. And then along with the FunBrain video, I also found a video from CK12. This one is very descriptive and is a great teaching tool and will hopefully challenge the students a little bit more. And lastly, I chose PBS Kids as an exploration tool. PBS Kids offers a variety of videos, games, and reading resources. For my lesson, I found a fun game that I want to incorporate into my lesson module. So overall, all of these tools you can incorporate to fit towards your own lesson standard. They're effective and enhancing tools that provide students with multiple ways of learning. They are very well detailed and they provide the students with the information they need to learn effectively and in a timely manner, which is very important because students have a short attention span and we want to keep them engaged, but it needs to be in a short time frame. And the best part is that they all offer activities and games that engage the students while challenging their knowledge. So these are the exploration tools I chose.